Let us know if you see any cheese, okay?
Right there. On the rock.
Great job finding the cheese.
And thankfully it's still in one piece.
Now we have to find the tomato sauce.
The tomato sauce, got it. Let us know if you see the tomato sauce, okay?
Behind the bush. Over there.
You found the tomato sauce.
Good eye.
Now we have one more thing to find. The pepperoni.
Pepperoni. This should be easy. Keep an eye out for some pepperoni. Does this look like the pepperoni?
Yeah.
You're right. This is a lot of pepperoni. Looks like we have all the ingredients we need. Let's head back into the kitchen.
Ha 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 ha.
Was that you?
No.
That wasn't me.
Was that you?
No.
Well, if it wasn't them, or me, or you, then who was it?
That was me.
The rain cloud is back. Quick, let's all head back into the kitchen. Fast.
Had to wait until the right moment to start the fun.
Okay, here's what we're going to do.
When we sing the song, Rain Rain Go Away, as we clap our hands, the rain cloud will leave us alone.
You knew too?
Yes.
Here we go.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day.
Again.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some
Come
other
again
day.
some other day.
Slowing me down on the job, I see. Pretty clever, you guys. Ha 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 ha. Keep having fun all you want. But I'll never go away. Keep looking for that last clue. If you dare, I'll be here all day, looking for someone else to rain on. Until then, see you soon. And don't you forget it. Ha 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 ha.